Now, in-app updates from Pi. Some of you have been having lots and lots of issues with Pi. Some of you, the name on the ID card and the name on your Pi profile is not matching, so you're having an issue with your KYC being approved. Some of you, your KYC has been pending for years. Some of you, when you want to do liveness check, it's not going through. Some of you have been on tentative approval for years. Some of you, they are not even migrating you. But virtually, if your problem is KYC related, watch this video to the end. So whatever your issues might be with Pi validation issues, you are not being approved, pending KYC, your name does not match the name, you can't do liveness check, you can't do this, it's not opening, or your Pi app is not opening, whatever the issue is, click on support portal, you'll be redirected to a site and I'll show you what to do. But before then, go to your profile and copy your username. Let's get into it. I've already opened the site down so that this video will not be long. Now you scroll down, you click on KYC in email request. After that, you come here, you enter your email. Remember the email that you used for your Pi account. Enter the Pi username. Check the as many verification method as you have. If you have done phone verification, click it, and you have done Facebook as well, click it. If you have done email, click it. Whatever your case might be. You remember your password, yes or no? What is your country, Android or iOS? Specify your OS version. Go to your phone and check the specs of your phone brand and model. You should know that, or search on Google, ask somebody that knows about phone, they will tell you what your spec is. Now, there are list of issues here. Try as much as possible to find your own issues. Whatever your issues, there's a long list. Try to find your own what issue as close as you can. So whatever your issue is, I cannot access Pi Browser. If your issues fall along this first category, just tick it. If it doesn't, if it is here, maybe when you are submitting KYC application, issues with uploading ID document, issue with the live step or taking the selfie. Most of you have these issues now. You can't upload your selfie, you can't do liveness check, click it. Okay, if your own issue is KYC review pending, tell them when you applied for your KYC. Pending KYC application. By now, all of you should know what your issue is. If you submitted NIN slip, click I submitted the wrong type of ID. If you submitted voters card, also click that same one. The accepted ID card are premium NIN. Check YouTube how to get it. Premium NIN, driver license, international passport. Okay. The name I use for KYC is different. Most of you have these issues. So check through for what issue you are particularly having. When reviewing KYC applications from others, now this is for those that are not validators. Some of you have become validators and they are not sending anybody your way for you to validate. Check for which cuts across your issues. If none of it, always click order. If none of the issue is what you're experiencing, click order so that you will go down and you'll be able to explain. I want to leave comments not directly related to the application or validation. I want to suggest I have a report, I have this. So you come here and you explain very, very well, please. I'm very, very brief. I've been trying to do a liveness check. Let's say your problem is liveness check. You're trying to do it and the thing is not loading, it's not letting. I'm trying to do a live check for the past 5 weeks. I'm having issues, it's not going through, it's not working. Please, I need this resolved ASAP. I've been on tentative this thing for about 2 years now, and I'm not being moved to the normal past KYC, the green one. Please, I need this resolved. Whenever I want to, the name on my ID card does not match this and this thing and all that. I need an opportunity for me to change the name, because that's what most of you need. You need to be able to change the name on your Pi account so that it will match the name on your ID card. You tell them. Then for you that you have been having pending KYC and you know that you submitted the wrong ID, I submitted the wrong ID and everything, and I have the approved and qualified ID card that I can use for my KYC process. Please, I need the opportunity to resubmit. That's what you need. You need the opportunity to resubmit so that you can submit the right thing. So describe your issue very well, then provide images. Okay, for those of you having liveness check, you should go there, try to do it. Then the matter pop up, screenshot it, tentative approval, screenshot you and put it and everything. Now, what I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video is that make sure you log in before you start anything. Log in with your Pi account details. Then once you have done filling everything, ticking what concerns you provide, then just click on send. there and then. Now take note, most people have followed this process and they had their issues resolved within a week, some within a month, some even 2 days, 3 days. Some people say it was resolved, but some people did not get their issues resolved. Keep on following this process and submitting it at least every single month. Pi claims that they are attending to a lot of people, so they might not come across your own request on time. So keep going there every single month. Don't spam, don't go there every day, every single month. And if they are not resolving it, submit, and submit again. Cheers.